Hello everyone, this is Sanjay Kumar Devnath from University Tun Hussain, Malaysia. Today I am going to present energy efficient elliptical concave visibility graph algorithm for unmanned air vehicle in obstacle rich environment. Before I start, I will explain that what about the headline. Here elliptical concave means it is a elliptical shape. Visibility graph means it is a planar actually algorithm, and unmanned air vehicle, it is a actually small drone like this picture. You can see this is moving picture, and this can be controlled from the ground, and this nowadays using in civil environment and defense system. You can see the picture how they are using. Next, what is the problem of operation of a UAV? Actually, it is a battery charge is limited. When it is in operation, it is one time charge, then it is limited battery charge. Then when the operation going on, then the battery is going on always reducing the battery. Actually, this is its charge is going to reduce always. On board you cannot charge, but for onboard charging there is a solar power system developed, but in the cloudy day, in the night time, it cannot work. So there is another method actually, by planning, efficient planning. If you can do a efficient path planning, then we can reduce the energy consumption. So regarding this actually my project. So for planning algorithm, there is lot of algorithm. You can see here. It is a based on classical taxonomy. These algorithms are here. So combinatorial, sampling based, biologically inspired. There are a lot of method here. I am going to use here roadmap and probability and disgust algorithm. Roadmap actually under the combinatorial method, and disgust algorithm also under combinatorial method, but it is under graph search method, and visibility graph actually under C-space presentation. So if we review this algorithm, we can see visibility graph actually have the optimality and completeness, and for disgust algorithm also have optimality and completeness, and all other algorithms also have some drawback and advantages. So same to biologically inspired method also, it is not optimal, but completeness is there. So if you review my paper 256 in the citation of this paper when published, you can see how it is find out all these reviews and advantages, disadvantages. So my agenda is different today, so I will not explain here more. You can see it is elliptical concave visibility graph. So first I explain about visibility graph first. Visibility graph actually is a algorithm. The problem of this algorithm is, if you consider this is a C space, under the C space number of obstacles are situated here like black. These are obstacles. They will be all calculated. See, from here to here, from here to here, from here to here, all are calculated by the green line. They all are calculated. Even from here to here, here to here, the multiple angle means all the visibility angle it will calculate it. So here it is only maybe 10 obstacle, but if you think here 300 obstacle, just imagine how many lines are here, how many calculation will be here. That is the problem of visibility graph, but good thing is it work without local minima, and it can be optimal and minimum travel path. You can get the minimum travel path. This is the good advantage, but more obstacle increase, the more computational time also increase. To overcome this problem, Huang in 2004 developed a DVG model, dynamic visibility graph. It is a actually rectangle shape, then inside shape it will be calculated, outside it will not. So this is the shape actually limited the C space, and again to overcome this problem, the problem is actually here the extra space. You see this extra space here, it is not uses. Also if you increase more, it will be take more space. So rectangle shape also have some this problem. So overcome this problem, Bodria developed a model ESOBG, which is citation number 16 in my paper. You can check for review. It is actually equatorial space oriented visibility graph. So this is the equatorial space. So like rectangular shape is do not have like this, but the problem is if the obstacle near to the opening angle here, the planar is outside of the boundary. You see, this is the boundary equatorial shape. When obstacle is very near, it is outside. So DVG model have the problem of unwanted space, and equatorial space model also have the problem of opening angle or closing angle problem. To overcome the problem, these two problem, I developed elliptical concave visibility graph. Means it is a elliptical shape. If you see this comparative model of three model, you see this is the DVG model. It is elliptical unwanted space. If you see ESOBG, the opening angle is very narrow. You can see a obstacle here is problem for planar. It is already actually stuck. But if you see the EQVG model, the unwanted space avoided. For ESOBG, it cannot get a path actually properly, but QVG it can, because the opening angle is very nice, is reasonable. So if you see the construction of the EQVG, we have to fix first starting point and target point, then you divide it in the middle, and this is called minor axis. This model actually, the size of the model will be depend on target point and target point and starting point, and on the minor axis L. Consider the starting point and target point is fixed, then the model will be reduced if L is reduced, the model will be increased if the minor axis L is increases. Next, this is the EQVG flow algorithm and flow chart. How it is work I already explained the previous slide. So if you see the L equal to 30, see like this. If L equal to 150 is like this, means increase the shape is increased. So this is based on L increase, everything the shape is increased. Next we present some, I present some comparative show here. See, with 300 obstacle, EQVG got the path, but with 300 obstacle, ESOBG not get the path. Even this L and this L equal to same actually. So L is 100 here, means rho is 10.03, L is 100 and equivalent to rho is 10.03. So actually it is the same environment. Because of size, this path is outside. Because of size, it is a nice shape, the path is inside. If you see here with 300 obstacle. So next here, EQVG is the same, still same like previous slide, with L equal to 100 units, the length, or rho equal to 10.03, means equivalent length. But ESOBG have to increase rho equal to 30 degree, means I have to increase it, then it got the path. So if I compare here, you see the ESOBG is very big, so lot of obstacle inside. You see inside the limited area, the green and yellow have to calculate by ESOBG like here, but EQVG only calculate this area. So EQVG will get less computational time, ESOBG will get higher computational time. Same, I reduce the obstacle now 250. So you can see EQVG got the path, because it can got the path in 300 obstacles. So 250 obstacle is nothing for EQVG, but ESOBG is still here. You can see not get the path with 10.03, means 10.03 we can get EcoBG, but ESOBG cannot. So here ESOBG I increase is P equal to 25 degree, means 15 degree, means the size you can see within this size the path it can get, but EcoBG can get within the last like previous size. So this way we reduce the obstacle until 30, then EcoBG and ESOBG both got the path. That means if you see the comparative result for computational time, then you can see EcoBG when 4.63, ESOBG 43.22, because the size, the shape size. So it is actually 89.29% to 72% efficient from ESOBG. So EcoBG is actually better than ESOBG. Again, path length when 300 obstacle and 250 obstacle, in that case that EcoBG got the less path, means EcoBG is better than ESOBG. Only this when obstacle is 300, means when obstacle is reached, but when obstacle is reduced, then EcoBG and ESOBG in the path length almost identical. So if you see the comparative graph show that you see in computational time EcoBG is very less, ESOBG is very high. Again in path length until 200 obstacle it is all same, but when 200 to 30 degree 30 obstacle 300 obstacle, then it is ESOBG little bit high. So the scope of the project actually 2D software based simulation, it is 64-bit computational machine, actually Core i7 computer. Rectangular shape obstacle, the shapes are all rectangular shape, randomly distributed with 30 to 300 obstacle. No experiment conduct using hardware because it is a software based, and MATLAB 2015A software actually used for simulation. So finally, in conclusion, we can say EcoBG is new path planning method based on visibility graph, was developed to overcome the limitation of the conventional visibility graph, and also EcoBG is energy saving and computationally efficient from visibility graph and from ESOBG. In regard of path length, EcoBG and ESOBG almost identical. So thank you. If you have any question, you can ask me, but it is a video presentation, so actually you can mail me in sanjoy@yahoo.com. Thank you to organizer IEEE conference, those who organized in time. Thank you very much.